Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to use the lower third in CapCut. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, if you ever imagine by watching the news and if you would like to know what lower third, so basically the lower third is the information or the headline of the news like this that show you the title and also the category, for example the breaking news and also the date up here. And if you would like to create it's kind of the breaking news video like this, surprisingly you can make it from the scratch using this CapCut guys. So you can go back to this homepage of this CapCut, and for example you can start to click this new video and go to this library, and for example you can start to choose which video that you would like to present into the, let's say, the news. For example, I will choose this one, and after that you can start to click add down here. And after this video being uploaded into this project, so you can start to click text down here and add text. And before you type anything here, you can start to go to this template and you can start to click this searching section. And for example, you can type or search the news template. And this will be the example of the lower third guys. And now you can try to create your, let's say, create your video into the, let's say, the breaking news version. And for example I will start to choose this one and kindly wait until it is applied. And you can start to adjust the size of it and you can put it here as if you would like to report something into your video. And you can put the text below this breaking news, for example the new ticket for New Year. And you can also do the experiment to try another lower third that has been provided by this CapCut. And isn't that cool, right? You can create your own news by using this, the lower third template using this CapCut. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and don't forget to try this tutorial. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put on a comment section because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.